Welcome to Dobby's Repairs. I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf, and this is What's in My Toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. So let's find out what's in my toolbox today. And in this instalment, we have the Sealey Premier set that came out of last year's Advent Calendar series. So it was from the Advent Calendar AVC001. So it's a nice little set, got lots of different parts and bits inside it. Let me pop it on the desk properly and move the camera so you can have a better look at it. Those of you that saw the Advent series would have saw that I was missing a 6mm originally. A quick email to Sealey and they sent one out, no quibble, just sent one out to me. That's great. They have an excellent customer service and warranty service for this, so that's really good. And yeah, so we'll start off with the sockets. This is the most visible thing on the camera. So it starts from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So it's a good selection of sockets for a 1/4 inch drive, what's usual 1/4 inch drive. We also have a little really nice bit driver extension, and then we also have a little tiny extension for the sockets, which is pretty good. We also have a selection of different bits. I won't list them all off, but there's a selection at the top here, and also a selection of some hex and Torx on the bottom here, and all colour coded as well. So all the Torx are yellow, all the hex are orange, etc. So it's pretty good. And of course the main star of the show is the ratchet itself, or the ratchet and bit driver, so it's double-ended. Let me get it out for you. So we'll start off with this end, which is the bit driver, and the bit's going there nice and easily. Got quite a good mechanism, reverse action on the back as well. And it's the same for the 1/4 inch, so yeah, very nice. Let me grab that 6mm out and pop it on, and yeah, it works really well. A really nice little ratchet. I've used this extensively over the last year. Yeah, it's been pretty much a staple in most of my repairs. I whip this out, whether it be to take off undercarriage bolts, or not undercarriage bolts, but the skid pan bolts, should I say. And yeah, stuff like that. Tight spaces. If you saw the pedal video I did on the Vauxhall Zafira, this was the ratchet I used in that. It's small and neat and gets into the spot that you can't normally get to. It's a very thin, light ratchet, so it's good. I also use this to do a clutch master cylinder on the Zafira. That video's coming soon, so keep an eye out for that. And yeah, it's a really good set. The only addition I have made to it is I've added a slightly longer extension, which fits nicely into the case. So there, it fits in there nicely, and it just helps give you a bit of extra leverage and length. That's the only addition I've made to it, the only modification, really. And yeah, it's a really good ratchet, works really well. Really nice movement on it and rotation. Yeah, the extension works well, it just pops in here like this, and then you can use any other bits you want. I'll just grab this one out because it's there. And yeah, allows you to twist it very easily. Again, really fine toothed it feels. I'm not quite sure what the tooth count is on it, but it's really good. And obviously being Sealey, it's got a really good warranty, as I mentioned earlier. Most of the time you just have to send them an email and they'll sort it out for you, so that's good. Yeah, what I can say, it's been a really great tool. I really enjoyed using it. Here's just some footage in action. As you can see, this is a battery and it's just taken off the battery terminals. So nice and easy, it works really smoothly and really good. Like I said, I've used this so much for all sorts of different things. This is one of the main things I use it for. Just quickly whipping off battery terminals. I also use the bit driver end for taking out some screws and stuff. And now here's it in a really tight confined spot, so this is up behind the dashboard on a clutch master cylinder. And yeah, as you can see, it works really well in these tight spots. So moving on to my final thoughts now. This is a really good tool, I have to admit, and it's not going to get any less than 5 spanners, so it's another 5 spanner tool. So 2 in a couple of months now, if you're keeping count. Obviously in the last video I gave you a breakdown of what the spanners mean. There'll also be a little link to a post in the description for you to check out for yourself when you're in leisure. And yeah, it's a really good set, a really useful set. I've really enjoyed using it. And consider it coming in an advent calendar, you wouldn't expect it to be as good as it's been, but it's been fantastic. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps both the channel and me out. If you're new here, consider subscribing. I post 2 videos a week, so by subscribing, you'll never miss a thing. Got any questions or suggestions? Drop a comment down below, and I'll do my best to reply to everyone. Here at Dobby Repairs, we're all about helping you learn how to work on your vehicle safely and showing you don't need to spend a fortune on tools to get the job done. Want to support the channel further? Become a member, starting at just 99p. Members get perks like early access to videos and more exclusive content. Keep fixing, and I'll see you in the next one.